But can you tell me a little bit about your experience? Because when you came to CODI, I was pretty much like try and annoy everyone. I'm like, you should get active on LinkedIn. It's the best platform ever. And you've been posting really consistently and a lot of video content. So how did you find that experience, like getting active on LinkedIn?
Yeah, so prior to starting here, I did not really tolerate LinkedIn at all. I had it, I had curated a nice profile, but as I saw it basically just as a digital resume. So when I started here and I saw how active you were, and you were literally just all over my newsfeed before I even applied for the job, which is ridiculous. You pushed me pretty hard to do it because essentially you wanted to raise me as a baby Lisa, and just get my face out there, which was something I realized as an outgoing and as a Leo, so I'm very, very outgoing, confident person. It was something I was really excited to do. So I've been trying to average about 2 videos a week, and I've done that for the last maybe month and a half, and I've really enjoyed it. The first one was terrifying. I had no idea what I was doing, and I think the second video I posted, which was just by myself, went crazy. It was 3,000 plus views, and I was like, what is going on? Who are all these strangers? And since then, it's just really boosted my confidence. It's helped me a lot with work as well, pitching to clients and being just on the front and constantly meeting different people. But I've absolutely loved it. I found people actually see me and come to me for advice now because I think I'm a bit of an expert, which is I've fooled them. I'm still always learning and doing my best, but it's been a really fun experience.